Join us for a 2-day webcast auction January 28th and January 29th at 9 a.m. Eastern as we liquidate the assets of the 750,000 square foot PVH distribution center in Jonesville, North Carolina. Featuring over 1,500 lots including over 3,000 bays of structural and teardrop pallet rack, 640 pallet positions of pushback rack, 3,500 square foot mezzanine systems, 20,000 feet of powered and gravity conveyor, over 30 telescoping trailer loaders, huge spare parts and MRO crib, toolroom and maintenance equipment, more than 65 Raymond, Hister, Yale and Toyota LPG and electric lift trucks, turret trucks, order pickers and electric pallet jacks, Genie and JLG scissor lifts, 50 multi-volt opportunity battery chargers, spare batteries, BHS battery handling system, golf carts, spotter trucks, vehicles, 53-foot storage trailers, SOTO label applicators, 100 Zebra and SOTO label printers, Wolftech automatic stretch wrapper, Raymond line driver wire guidance system, 3M case sealers, box erectors, 150 manual pallet jacks, scales, break room and office furniture, and much more. All pallet rack, mezzanines and conveyor will be disassembled and banded prior to the auction. To learn more, visit myronbowling.com.